2008 GMC Yukon 5.3 liter V8. What we got on it for you fellas and girls. It's got two stock converters still right there. Then it winds into a single. Then it's wide. Then we did straight pipes on it, wide pipe straight pipes with 2 1/4 tailpipes, custom bent into 18-inch tips. We did it about 2-3 months ago. And here it is. Just want to let you guys hear what it sounds like with straight pipes. And we'll go from there. This is a 2008 Yukon and it's straight piped. Inside. We're gonna let you hear the inside of it.
Customer complained there was too much drone on the inside. Tell us what you guys think.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all